What's going on, guys? Markie Williams over here, and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. Here on my channel, you also find a new playlist which consists of passion projects, DIYs, and hobbies. These online how-to courses for everyone that has those passion projects or looking to pick up a new hobby on the side. The do-it-yourself online courses will have tons of passion project ideas for kids, along with passion project ideas for adults as well, and even turn your passion into a side or full-time business. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. Do you have a passion for thinking of project ideas, or better yet, a passion for woodworking? Well, you must have if you're here on my channel checking out this tutorial. So many throw in the towel when it comes to woodworking and going through many tutorials that leave out some very important factors when working with wood. They skip over many important parts. Their diagrams are confusing, unclear, or even wrong. I did a little research, and when it comes to woodworking projects, the name that keeps popping up is Ted McGrath. Woodworking extraordinaire when it comes to woodworking resources is Ted McGrath, 40-year experience in the business. He laid out the plans with step-by-step instructions and complete drawings. So let's break this course down a bit as to what Ted Woodworking course has to offer. Along with the step-by-step instructions, you get the exact cutting and the material list for every project, also meaning you will be able to buy the exact amount needed so you won't be wasting your money on the wrong wood, materials, or the wrong quantity when it comes to the detailed schematics. The level of detail makes the most challenging projects a no-brainer. From the multi-view from all angles on every project in this course, which will also have the option to download the entire program right after purchasing and get right to it. So whether you're a pro or just starting out with woodworking courses, they got you covered through all the levels of expertise, from simple craft to furniture building, along with outside projects. You can download over 16,000 step-by-step blueprints and easy-to-follow instructions to start building right away. You'll get a lifetime access to a membership area where you can download these new plans monthly. There are no recurring fees, no expiry date, also custom plans and support. You'll also get a guide and tutorial videos you could download in full access from any device. One of the bonuses you will love in the book on how to start a woodworking business, this is a step-by-step detailed guide on how to make money selling your custom woodwork, and is a great addition to this package. It would also explain the following in full detail: marketing your services and what to sell to make money, locating suppliers and working with your competitor, licensing, accounting, and tax matters you must know, and getting help in contracting jobs to scale up your business. So if you're ready to take on your woodworking passion to the next level or open that woodworking business, be sure to click on the link below in the description and check out the tutorial and the additional benefits of this course that wasn't explained here. Many thanks for taking some time to check out my tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams. There I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well that's floating around right here. And always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.